Alright guys, I want to quickly make a video on how to add a token to your Trust wallet. It is very simple. All you need to do is to get the contract address the contract address of the token you want to add to your Trust wallet. And in case you know the name of the token you want to add to your Trust wallet, yet you don't have the contract address, how do you get the contract address? In my subsequent video, I'm going to show you how to get the contract address of any token. But in this video, I want to show you how to add a token to your Trust wallet. What do you need to do? First of all, you need to get the contract address. And how to get the contract address, I get to this point. Okay, this is it. I want to add this token to my Trust wallet. I want to add this token to my Trust wallet. Okay, this is the name of this is the token, hard token. I want to add hard token to my Trust wallet. Don't forget, all that I need is this contract address. You see here, contract address. That's what I need. And also consider this: the network is running on BNB network. It's running on BNB network. Yes. So I want to get I want to add this token to my Trust wallet. All that I need to do is for me to copy this message that was forwarded to me or was forwarded to you. You copy it, you paste it in this message. Paste it here. Paste it. Look for the contract address. You have to move down to look for the contract address. I'm searching for the contract address. Okay, this is what I'm looking for, the contract address. So this is what I'm looking for. So I copy this contract address. See what I did? I copy the contract address. Now get to my Trust wallet. Load my Trust wallet. After loading my Trust wallet, log into my Trust wallet. Okay, my Trust wallet is on. You get to this point. You locate this. You see this point on top right here. This button. You click it. After clicking it, you paste that contract address you've copied. You paste it. After pasting, it will ask you this: add custom token. You click on add custom token. Like I said, hard token is running on BNB network. It's very good to know the network a particular token is running on. So it's running on BNB network. I have to change. You see here, network. Here automatically it's on Ethereum. So I have to change Ethereum to BNB network, the smart chain network. So you see, all these are different networks. I'm looking for the smart chain network, so I change this to smart chain. After changing this to smart chain, you see this contract address. So I paste that contract address I copied earlier. I paste it again. After pasting, you see it brought out the name of the token, the symbol, and the decimal. After bringing this out, I click on done. Click on done. That is just that. Very simple. Okay, the reason it is taking me to this point is because I have added the token already to my Trust wallet. Assuming I did not add it to my Trust wallet, it would have taken me back to this point where you see other tokens here. So that is it, guys. Watch out for the next video on how to find a contract address of any token, in as much as you have the name of the token. Thank you.